Hello viewer, in this video I am telling about the camera improvement of the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra comes with the 10 megapixel 3x telephoto camera, which was rumored to be replaced with the 5x unit on next year Galaxy S24 Ultra. However, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra will feature a 50 megapixel 3x telephoto unit, which if true will be the significant upgrade over the 10 megapixel 3x telephoto in terms of resolution. Samsung is rumored to use the same 200 megapixel sensor from the S23 Ultra on the S24 Ultra, while the 10x periscope unit is expected to come with the minor improvement, but it is unclear if it will be any upgrade to 12 megapixel ultra wide unit. Regarding the front-facing camera, Samsung is rumored to continue using the 12 megapixel selfie shooter from the S23 lineup on the S24 series. However, we expect software level optimization from the Samsung to implement selfie and video call. Thanks for watching a video. Don't forget subscribe our channel, like and share the video. If watching more video about smartphone and tablet, so please check the description. Or any question about smartphone and tablet, so please leave the comment and I will try to reply.